So does that mean you're gonna try to use the glue gun today?
Okay, Jackie, no one wants me to use this. They're all stressed. Everyone is nervous seeing me with this thing. I do like that it's pink. I am a little terrified. I'm checking my makeup. I feel like, yes. I'm calling Jackie. I'm a little nervous. What if she's like, no, not this. She's like, I'm not picking up. Ah!
Hi!
Jackie! How are you?
I'm so excited to be doing this with you, especially since we've been at home for the past year.
I haven't worn a coming out look in a while.
I love your whole setup. I love big, fresh windows. You look so, like, refreshed.
Stop, you're literally in full glam room. I'm like shaking.
And now we get to, like, work together. You're gonna be helping me glam up some denim.
This is our Project Runway moment. I don't know how good I'm gonna be at this, but we're gonna figure it out. I've watched your videos for a really long time. You're a makeup legend. Do people, when they see you, do they come up on the street and say like, Jackie, 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 Jackie?
They do, it's actually really fun. Honestly, I live for it. The more live people are, the better.
I love it. No, you're a star. This is so much fun.
So have you painted before?
I did do drawing a lot in like high school.
Yeah, same. Now, the only painting I do is lips, honey, contouring. I'm excited.
So Target sent like these very mysterious, elusive boxes. Do we open what's in them? I'm excited. Target's playing games.
Let's do an unboxing. I'm ready.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, so much denim.
I got my favorite flavor of kombucha. This is one of my favorite Black-owned brands that just recently hit Target, Honey Pot, and this is like their line of like lavender bath bombs.
Wait, did you get your soda stream? I have to reveal one of my gifts.
What is this?
Jackie, your life is about to change. It turns your water into sparkling water.
You can do that?
Yes!
This is one of the bougiest additions to my dining room.
Are these from you, the eye patches?
Yeah, they are.
Yes! Oh my God, wait, I really wanted you to get like pick beauty products for me. This is a dream come true.
I actually put these in the fridge and they're like icy cold and they just feel like slices of like watermelon under your eyes.
Oh my God, okay, whoa. Like this is a jewelry store.
A full-on beading kit.
They want us to like weld things. Look at this. This is beautiful. I'm like a little stressed. I might get this all over my outfit.
Glitter balls, that's cute.
I was never allowed around these as a kid.
It's very nostalgic for me because my mom is a seamstress and she
Yes.
stayed with a glue gun, honey.
Okay, Jackie, what is your style?
I had too many like statement standout pieces and not enough like essentials and basics. Everything was like stuff that was like super logo mania. And it's like, that's stuff that's really hard to like style over and over again. I love being dressed up, but I also really like, which is why I'm glad we're doing this, I do really love a lot of denim.
I need to do what you're saying and kind of like have more basics, but it's fun because like sometimes I can just have some of like the wild moments for a character. I think that's what I'm probably gonna do today, like make it for a character.
Okay, well, we got acrylic, honey. We have beads. I got extra jackets. And I can't wait to like actually wear these when I finally get to meet you.
Oh my God, when I come over tonight. Okay, Jackie, I'm gonna see you at the table.
Okay. Instead of just jumping right into the jackets, I feel like we should kind of practice on these hats first. Are we glamming it up? Are we keeping it simple?
I'm making the jacket from one of my characters. She's my Southern Belle character. Her name's Benita. Everything is like pink and wild. And then the hat, I think I'm just gonna write drama, because like that's me.
I was just gonna fully commit to just like glitter, but I kind of want to do that to my jacket. So maybe I should leave the hat more simple like you would too.
I'm excited, I'm ready. I'm stressed and I might screw this up, but that's okay.
So does that mean you're gonna try to use the glue gun today?
Okay, Jackie, no one wants me to use this. They're all stressed. Everyone is nervous seeing me with this thing. I do like that it's pink. Okay, so how did you get started?
I was obsessed with makeup tutorials. Every day, my best friend would be like, I don't know why you're not doing that. So I uploaded my first video, which was terrible. And it was like a picture slideshow.
It has to be. If it's good, that's weird.
This was at a time where there weren't like a lot of Black women that were visible on YouTube.
Yeah.
And so what I was doing is taking like tutorials and looks and stuff that a lot of like white women and like Asian women were doing, and I was tweaking them to work on my complexion. I would talk about like my experiences, like going to makeup counters, how like I would oftentimes feel othered. They would always tell me what doesn't work for my complexion. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start figuring this stuff out on my own.
Oh my God, and then we got Jackie Aina.
Oh my God, but wait, this was like back when you had usernames. So before I was Jackie Aina, I was Lil Pumpkin Pie 05.
Stop.
I don't even like pumpkin pie. I don't even like
What?
pie.
Jackie, I'm obsessed.
I need to know your backstory.
Oh my God, yeah. The first things I made were like dub smashes.
Oh my God, I remember Dub Smash.
It's like pre-TikTok. Oh God, they're pretty brutal and I really don't like to watch them. I still had not come into my own like loving being queer and feeling like that was a superpower of mine. It just doesn't feel like it was me, but it was kind of this first time that I had like put myself on camera. I don't know, it just made me feel like I was kind of tapping into the younger version of myself, and I liked the idea that like maybe I was giving somebody like a 30-second break from a really bad day. I'm weirdly living like a dream life that I just so did not think was possible. This is just not, and I tried the office thing. Did you try the office thing?
I used to work at Target. How's that for full circle? Period.
Target?
I used to work at Target.
Okay, that's full circle. That's beautiful.
It was my last job before I joined the reserves. I worked as a civilian overseas, so I lived in Kuwait for a year, and I was like, okay, when I come back, I'm gonna go to beauty school because my family is very, very strict when it comes to like academics and stuff. So I was like, okay, I need something to show them that like my career is somewhat legitimized. So I was like, I'm gonna go to cosmetology school. But you know, I've already invested this much on social media. We need to get it popping. Like, where is this going?
Feel that very hard.
Social media and content creators, as purely just like an actual tangible talent, you just have to be likable. It was such a light bulb moment for me because I started realizing the reason why my channel really wasn't growing was because I don't even act like myself. I would edit out like all of the jokes, all of the like sarcastic
totally.
moments.
Yeah.
And so I was like, well, you know, what would happen if you just like stop doing that one day and just really actually be yourself?
I'm looking and I think we're kind of making matching hats, which I love for us.
I feel like this looks like somebody's team colors, doesn't it?
These are kind of Yankees hats, honestly. You know, I just absolutely adore sports.
We're ready to like grab our jackets. This was fun practice.
Let's do this. I'm ready.
Boom, let's do it.
Okay, I kind of want it to look like a Western jacket, so I think I'm gonna do paint and kind of make it like wispy, fun, Southern Belle Eleganza.
Ooh, I'm with it. Benito, I admire how much your content has really just been thriving throughout the pandemic. Last year specifically, I felt like, girl, nobody cares about makeup right now. Like, we have real problems. And I think I just wanted to like not post anything that would be too tone deaf or too out of place at the time.
Totally. In making these things, it's not lessening something that's serious. It's more just like allowing somebody who's just had a long day to like feel like they're with a friend and just like relax.
My followers were literally like, I'm sick of watching the news all day. Like, you need to keep the content coming.
We need you now more than ever.
They were like, this is how I unwind.
It's nice to have the reminders every now and then because you're kind of like, am I shouting into a void? Like, are people still watching? Yeah, I'm like, blink twice if you guys don't need any more of these videos.
Now I'm finding that rush of like new ideas and new concepts are coming back, which is awesome because
There's nothing better.
if I feel like I'm like really back, you know what I mean? It's fun.
Totally. There is nothing better than when you whip out that Little Notes app and you're like, oh, I've got a doozy for these babies next week. Oh my God.
I'm ready to amp it up and grab this glue gun.
I'm so ready for you to do that, and I don't think I should.
I just want to do something somewhat challenging just to say I did something I wouldn't normally do because the painting and the glitter part was easy for me.
Okay, shade.
No, I didn't mean it like that.
When did you feel like, okay, I made it?
I feel like I made it when I could literally use autopay. Like, the check cleared.
Mine's kind of similar. It was like I had done this live show in New York and I got like my first live show check and I could finally like pay rent. And I like got to my apartment and I just like started sobbing. I was just like, oh my God, like I actually like, you know, am able to support myself doing something I love. And that felt like a moment for sure.
Everybody talks about the American dream, and like, as a Black woman, that American dream, our reality of what that actually looks like is so different and has so many more challenges.
You know, you said you went to YouTube and you didn't see any YouTube videos that were for you and were for Black people. And the fact that like you have entered that space and now people will see you and other creators and see themselves represented, like, you're a part of that. You just like changed the game. Does this look like Fringe or like a weird like broken piano?
Ooh, it's cute.
Your impact. Yeah, I'm excited. It's a moment.
I added a lot. Okay, so there's like a gold collar.
Oh my God.
There's patchwork.
It's so cute. I love it. Okay, yours is like couture. Mine is more like 80s art school craft vibes. I am proud of us, I will say that much.
We did it, Benito, we did it. All right, Benito Boo, you ready to transform into our denim jackets?
Jackie, I'm freaking out. Let's do this.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
What just happened?
Yes.
Okay, wait, yours is glam. You invented glam.
Mine is very glam, but yours is Southern old money glam.
Exactly. It's 80s and we're in Nashville and we're just having fun. Jackie babes, I think we're runway ready.
Let's do it.
Should we show these girls how to walk?
Oh, they might need a lesson or two, honey, and I'm ready.
Get up, you got this. Nothing's gonna stop you, and we're looking good, feeling right. We gon' get it all tonight. Get up, you got this.
All right, Benito, so I'm gonna walk you through a couple different ways that I like to style my denim, but what you have on now is actually perfect. The Oxford shirt, this is like a super easy, quick way to like zhuzh up a somewhat kind of like lazy fit. Look 2 is denim layered over sweats. Anytime I wanna make an at-home outfit wearable, I'll add a denim jacket. I love denim on denim. I think it looks classic, timeless, sexy, cool, chic, all in one.
I love it. Jackie, seriously, I'm moving in.
I'm gonna take a page out of my own book and I'm gonna do the denim tuxedo look as well. I think it looks great, especially with a pair of heels. Also, do quite like the denim jacket with sweats. It is a signature of mine.
You're like, who, me? That's like a flirty look. I love that.
This old thing, I like pairing denim over a dress. Sometimes it's nice to have somewhat of a light jacket so I can be prepared for all occasions. So you got 3 looks with 1 jacket. You good.
Jackie says it, I do. Deal with it.
Thank you so much, Target, for bringing me and my boy Benito together.
Stop! This was literally heaven. I'm so sad it's over.
It was honestly so fun getting to know you. I really loved you sharing your upbringing, your story, and I cannot wait to meet you, but you gotta make me one promise. You gotta bring your denim jacket when you see me.
Of course, obviously. I am a stan. I've been a stan for so long. I'm obsessed. That's all I'm gonna say about that.
Thank you, boo. Thank you, Target. Oh my God, I cannot wait to meet you. And this was so much fun. Let's do it again. Bye.
Mwah. Love you.
Mwah.
Bye.
I had so much fun styling denim jackets with Benito. First of all, I love denim and I cannot wait to reveal my new look. And hopefully I get to wear it with Benito himself. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the other episodes. You can get all the awesome Target stuff featured in today's episode by clicking the link right there. And if you got a gift card, even better, because I'll be stacking up on mine.